In this video we can learn about lasso tool in Photoshop. Photoshop, there are three types lasso tools are there. Go toolbar. This is icon indicating lasso tools. Hold your right mouse button on that icon. You will get three options. One is lasso tool, another one is polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. These three lasso tool, how to use lasso tool. For example, lasso tool should import picture, open picture, process, and where is your picture, check location, just import, open, this process. The lasso tool what will be, now it will be, see, this is the picture. This picture, if you want to copy from here to our document, from this document to this document, so the exact particular portion we can select. First we should unlock, see here first one lasso tool. Lasso tool like a pencil, you have to, which portion you want on edge you have to drag. For selection, hold your left mouse button, we have to drag. See what are the portion we need, which are the object and object edge. I'm going to drag, just draw like a pencil, it will be select. Then you can go edit menu, copy, open your document, edit, paste. Without background, see which are the portion we need, we can copy, edit, and make it as a scale, retransform, hold shift, same feature, polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool, what will be happen? See here we have to drag, here which are the point you want, we can click and drag, click, click, click. See, is the compared to lasso tool is the more comfortable. Polygon lasso tool is the more comfortable, but features are same. We are using for selection purpose. When we are copying object, we can use it. What are the required portion on edge? You have to draw. Polygon tool. Compared to the same feature, edit, copy, go your document, edit, paste. Control T for shortcut, retransform, zoom. This is okay, press enter. Next one, there is a magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is the second document, go for same feature. Here just start, it will be like a magnetic, it will be catch edges, snapping edges. Just you have to move your cursor point, corner you can click. Edge, it will find automatically edge. Sharp edges. If blending is there, color blend is there, it's a very difficulty. The exact sharp is there, you can same feature, we can, it will select same, edit, copy, go your new document, edit, paste. Save, Control T for shortcut, free transform. Already we discussed about free transform tool. Yes. See, these are all features in magnetic tool.